Want to make passive income from YouTube without showing your face or even recording your voice? What if I told you that boring sounding niches like insurance can secretly make you thousands per month? In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully automated, faceless YouTube channel that promotes insurance offers. No camera, no mic, no editing skills, just strategy and smart tools. Step 1. Pick a profitable insurance niche. Start by choosing an insurance type with high payouts, like health, life, or car insurance. These niches pay big commissions through affiliate links and YouTube ads. Step 2. Research faceless channel ideas. Search YouTube for faceless insurance channels. Notice their voiceovers, stock videos, and titles. You don't need to be on camera, just solve real problems people search for. Step 3. Create videos using free AI tools. Use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Canva to create professional videos using stock clips. For voiceovers, use free AI tools like ElevenLabs or TTS-MP3. Step 4. Add affiliate links and optimize for search. Promote insurance affiliate offers in your video descriptions. Use platforms like CJ Affiliate or Impact. Use titles like Best Health Insurance for Families in 2025 to target search traffic. Step 5. Post consistently and let the algorithm work. Upload 2 to 3 videos per week. Stick to one niche and stay consistent. Once traffic builds, you'll earn from both affiliate sales and YouTube ads passively. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this side hustle. Subscribe for more faceless YouTube strategies that actually work in 2025.